Sanibonani nebakwaZulu. Namhla ngifuna ukukhuluma nani. Ngithi nje angithi fahla. Ngintshela amaqiniso. Mhlambe anwazi. Kodwa ngiyakholwa ukuthi bakhona abantu basekhaya bayazi le ndaba. iZululand ibuswa umSwati by design. So uMisizulu is now a puppet of King Mswati. Everything that King Mswati does, he mimics and emulates. That's why Misizulu is selling the land of the Zulus to the Arabs and foreigners. Because King Mswati is a king of the foreigners. See, South Africa was sold by kings. That's why you have no land today. So King Mswati is a stupid idiot who's selling Swaziland to foreigners. We call him Tinini Tenkosi, the foreigners. Tinini Tenkosi, Inini Zenkosi. So he deals with them. So the Arabs are in Swaziland, the Chinese are in Swaziland, the Indians are in Swaziland, because King Mswati is selling the land of the Swazi people. And by extension now, forcing Misizulu to sell the land of the Zulus. All they want is to accumulate the money. Mswati is short-sighted, he's not smart. So he thinks by selling the land, that's how they're going to accumulate money and wealth. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.